Students, we will see profit, loss, discount, commission and brokerage. Profit, loss, discount, and brokerage. Now, to understand the profit, loss, discount, commission and brokerage, we need to understand some basic things, which are first of all cost price. What is cost price? See, whenever you are going to purchase any article, any goods in the market, in that it is written, see, the price at which the goods are purchased is called cost price. See, we call it as CP. Suppose you bought a bicycle for 3000 rupees. So, what is the cost price? 3000. Okay. Now, selling price. The price at which goods are sold is called selling price. Now, concept of profit is coming. Suppose you bought a bicycle for 3000 rupees and you are selling it for 4000 rupees. Look at this, you bought a bicycle for 3000 rupees and selling it for 4000 rupees. Then you are going to gain extra 1000 rupees. That is what you call profit. So, profit is selling price minus cost price. That means, if you want to earn a profit, when you say that you have profited some amount, that means selling price should be greater than cost price. Then only you will have profit. So, in the other way, loss. Now, you bought a bicycle for 3000 rupees, but you sold it for 2000 rupees. Correct? Then you say that, or we say that we are at loss of 1000 rupees. So, loss means cost price minus selling price. That means your selling price will be less than the cost price at which you bought the bicycle. So, here cost price is greater than selling price. Now, very often we say that profit percentage. What is profit percentage? So, percentage profit means profit is calculated when profit is compared with CP. That means profit percentage means profit is compared with cost price. That is why we call it as profit percentage. Similarly, loss percentage if you want to calculate. So, percentage of loss equal to loss is calculated when loss is compared with CP. That means what? Profit percentage is also related with cost price, and similarly loss price percentage also compared with cost price. Okay. Now, we will see some example, we will understand. See example, Roshan bought a car for rupees 4 lakhs and sold it for rupees 3,50,000. Find the gain or loss. Also the percentage of find the percentage of loss or gain. See, this type of sums, word problems will be there. You have to be very careful. You have to read carefully, then only you will understand. Okay. See, Roshan bought a car for rupees 4 lakhs. So, what is that 4 lakhs called? Cost price. Cost price equal to 4 lakhs. And sold it for 3,50,000. So, what is that called? Selling price. Now, look at this. Selling price is less than the cost price. So, you will definitely incur loss. Here, selling price is less than cost price. Therefore, there is a loss. Okay. So, loss equal to CP minus SP. So, loss equal to 4 lakhs minus 3,50,000. So, there is a loss of 50,000. Correct. Now, as I told you, loss is calculated on or it is compared with cost price. So, loss percentage equal to loss upon CP into 100. So, loss is 50,000 upon 4 lakhs into 100. 4 zeros, 4 0, 1 0, 1 0. So, 25.2 equal to 12.5. So, the loss percentage is 12.5. One more example we will see. An article was sold, example 2. An article was sold for rupees 312 and 20% profit was earned. Find the cost price. So, since it is a word problem, we will read it very carefully. Okay. An article was sold for 312. That means what is given? Selling price equal to 312. And profit percentage is 20. Profit percentage equal to 20. Now, what you have to find out? You have to find out cost price. Now, look at this. What is selling price? Selling price equal to cost price plus profit, right? Now here cost price we do not know, so we call it as say X. But what about selling price? 312 equal to cost price X, profit equal to 20% of what is profit? Equal to 20% of cost price, that is 20 upon 100 into X. Okay. So what is profit here now? 20 upon 100 into X. Take LCM 100. So 100x plus 20x equal to 312. So 312 equal to 120x upon 100. So 312 into 100 upon 120 equal to x. So when you simplify, you will get x equal to 260. So what is x? Cost price equal to 260. Followed or not? So selling price equal to cost price plus profit. But what is profit? Profit is not given. 20% of cost price is profit. So 20% of CP. CP is X here. No, CP is X here. This we have taken. Followed. Now one more sum we will do. We will understand better. Mr. Raman bought a property for rupees 12 lakhs and sold it for rupees 12,72,000. Find percentage profit or loss. Now we will read out the sum. Raman bought a property, bought the property, anything. It may be a house, it may be a land, it may be car, anything. Of how much? 12 lakhs rupees. So he bought a property. So this is cost price, 12 lakhs. And he sold it for this. That is called, it is selling price. It is cost price, it is selling price. Now look at this. Which price is greater? Cost price or selling price? Selling price. Here SP is greater than cost price. Therefore, there is a profit. So, we will find out profit. Profit equal to SP minus CP. Therefore, profit equal to 12,72,000 minus 12 lakhs. So, it equal to 72,000. Now, since there is a profit, we can find out profit percentage. If it is a loss, we can find out loss percentage. Okay. So, profit percentage equal to, I told you profit percentage mean profit is compared with cost price. So, profit upon cost price into 100. So, profit is 72,000 upon 12 lakhs into 100. So, 6%. So this is how we have to find out this. Two more examples we will see. An article was bought for rupees 5,000 and sold at 2% loss. Find the selling price. No problem. See, now what is happening? What is given? First you read the sum. An article was bought for rupees 5,000. So what is 5,000? You are purchasing something, no article. So it is a cost price. And you are selling it for lesser price. That is why you got loss. So loss percentage equal to 2. Okay. What you have to find out? Selling price equal to question mark. Now, when there will be a loss, loss equal to cost price minus selling price, because your selling price is lesser. Okay. So now, if you take here, what is now loss? Loss means what? 2 upon 100 into 5,000 cost price. Okay. Equal to what is cost price? We do not know. But this is 5,000 minus SP. See now, loss percentage equal to loss upon 100 into CP. Okay, so what is loss? Loss percentage, this is what? 2 upon 100 into CP. See, loss is 2% into CP. Okay. So now what we are having is SP word. What is cost price? Now we are knowing it. Again cost price. 2 upon 100 into 5,000 equal to 5,000 minus SP. Now when you do this, 100 equal to 5,000 minus SP. So you take it to this side. So SP equal to 5,000 minus 100 equal to 4,900. So loss means loss percentage of cost price. So we have got selling price 4,900. How we got loss equal to cost price minus selling price. Now one more sum we will do it. Please note down if you want. By selling an article, this is very important sum. By selling an article for rupees 3,000, a person earned 20% profit. What would have been the percentage profit or loss if he has sold at rupees 2750. Listen very carefully. This is one of the important sum. A person selling an article for rupees 3000. He is selling it for 3000. Okay. So what is given first? Let us write. Selling price equal to 3000. Okay. What is the profit percentage? They are telling 20. Okay. Now, what is selling price? Cost price plus profit. Followed or not? Yes. So, what is selling price? 3000 equal to cost price we do not know. So, let it be, here we will write, let CP equal to X. So, X plus 20% of what we will calculate? Profit is, because profit percentage equal to profit upon 100 into CP. Okay. So, profit upon 100 into CP. Okay. Now, this is 1. So, how much is that? 100x plus 20x upon 100. So, equal to 3000. So, 3000 equal to 120x upon 100. So, 3000 into 100 upon 120 equal to x. So, if you divide it 2500. So, 2500 will be x. But what is x? Cost price. What is that? Cost price. Therefore, cost price equal to 2500. Okay. Now, what they are telling, if it would have been sold at 2750, selling price equal to cost price plus profit. What they say? It is sold for 2750. So, 2750 equal to 2500 plus profit. Okay. Now, 2750 minus 2500 equal to profit. So, profit is 250 rupees. Profit is 250 rupees. Now, profit percentage. Profit percentage you will find out. Profit percentage equal to profit percentage equal to profit upon CP into 100. So, profit is 250 upon 2500 CP, 2500 into 100. So, 10. So, what would have been the profit percentage? It is 10. So, I will tell you, first of all, SP is given, profit percentage is given, you are able to find out cost price. Okay, cost price. Once you find out the cost price, now what they are telling? The selling price is 2750, it is changed. So, if your selling price is 2750 and your cost price is 2500, what is the profit? 250. Okay. Now, this profit is 250 out of what? 2500, because profit is compared with cost price. Therefore, you are getting 10% profit. Okay. Now, in the next lecture, we will see ratio and proportion.